Hello, IK here. Welcome to series Modern Web Development for Absolute Beginners. What I know is simple and worth sharing. In series will be becoming a web developer for absolute beginner, HTML for absolute beginners, CSS for absolute beginners, JavaScript for absolute beginners, modern JavaScript for absolute beginners. I must correct this. React for absolute beginners, Next.js for absolute beginners, databases for absolute beginners, backend development for absolute beginners, from absolute beginners to web developer. Book 1, Becoming a Web Developer for Absolute Beginners, from Tim Berners-Lee to Modern Web Apps. Part 1, HTML. Chapter 1, Why and How it all began. If you continue after this chapter, you will go all the way to the end of this series. Henry Ford built his first car by connecting two bicycles and placing an oil-powered engine on it. Sit down and start the engine. Who is Ford on the web? Tim Berners-Lee, a novice scientist in Geneva, was called by his boss. Tim, free us from those painful text editor versions. Documents are arriving, but we cannot read them because the sender has a different version or even different brand of text editor than we have. 2 years later, the web started. Web pages began to travel around the world. The term WWW was born, the World Wide Web. Years later, journalists asked Tim, "What is the web?" Tim answered, "The web is software." Let's get practical. First, this is a web page. HTML, head, close head, body, age 1, paragraph, body close tag, HTML close tag. Of course, there is a close tag for paragraph also. Number 1, type it in a notepad and save it as example.html. This is important, .html. Wherever you want, save as a type all files, click Save. Open it with a double click and you see this. You will not see this, only formatted text appears. Here it is. There is all for this is all for this chapter. If you survived, it means you are ready to continue. Let's get started with practice and essential terms. Every field has its own terminology. We will start using it. Okay, if you know somebody that needs a video like this, you tell them about. And if our community around this series growing, it is better for all of us, growing knowledge of every of us. Thank you for watching this video.